First one, create internal orders. Create internal orders. Order, not orders, order. KO01 is the T code. You can go to path because it's a master data. I'll show you. I'll go with T code only, but just I'll show you the path. This is our server, which we are using for our complete project. Yes, if you want to do configurations, we are going to SPRO, but this is a easy access screen because end user part. So accounting, controlling, internal orders. Okay. So you want to create a master data first. Go to master data. Go to special functions orders. This is the T code KO01. But since end user transactions, I'm not going to path. Since everybody should remember the T codes for all the end users, I am directly using T codes. Configurations, I'll go with the path. T codes, end users, I'll go with the T codes because that should be remembered. That because we are a consultant. Consultant means we are like a doctor. So we should know all the T codes. End user, business T codes, at least we should know. So I have already given the list, right? Around 40, 50 T codes I have given. That should be in your mind. There are 500 plus T codes in the course, but we don't need all those things. I need only 10% of that. Okay, that too, all end users, few configurations. Now go to KO01. KO01. So set your controlling area first. What is the controlling area that we are using? B030. Okay. B040 we are using for this class. Yeah. Go to B040. Order type B40A is the order type that we have configured. So success meet for financial year 2025. Okay. Novatel, Vizag. We are conducting in Vizag. Okay. So if you have business area, you can give the business area. If you want to give the plant, you can give the plant. If you give, you can get that reports, plant wise, business area wise. If you don't give, you will not get that report. Profit center. Okay. My profit center is 1000. So other things is your wish. So person responsible, responsible cost center, user responsible. So you can give here. So WGBS element is not belongs to CO, it belongs to the project systems. So they can even maintain that. There are so many parameters here. Okay. But these are all optional only, not required. Go to control data. I told you two orders. In internal orders, we have two types, statistical and real. If you want statistical, na, select this. If you don't want statistical, you can remove this. If you don't maintain statistical, settlement will happen. You can do settlement. If you maintain this, only for report, no settlement. You cannot do any settlement. Okay. Now statistical order. System status, it is showing REL. REL is for release. Release means we can use this order. Now there is a rule, settlement rule tab. Click this. I can maintain my settlement rule after completion of my success meeting. After completion of meeting, whatever expenses, 5 lakhs 10,000 expenses should go to which cost center, which cost center I need to send this to sales cost center 1040. If it is, the cost center will be known by the end users, they know this. So I'm taking sales cost centers. One is for Bangalore, one is for Hyderabad, we have, right? So I can settle, this is Bangalore cost center, I can settle 50% because 50% employees are from Bangalore. Again, another cost center, So 2040, this is for Hyderabad. We have designed like this. Okay. So again, another 50%. No, sir. Total 100% I'll give to only one cost center. That's your wish. I have given three receivers maximum. So it is coming three times. Distribution rules three times. Three we have given. If you give 10, you can give 10 times. No worries. Okay. Save. If you want to maintain only one, you can maintain. If you want to maintain multiple, you can maintain. Okay. So save. Order was created. 101092 is the order. This is the master data. Okay. This is the master data. And this is like a cost center.